Good morning, friends. Hindustan Times comes with weekly puzzles on every Sunday. So today we'll be solving one of that puzzle which came on 28th March regarding the cars. So there are the person who has written this puzzle. So he has written this puzzle that not far from where he lives, there is a stretch of road on which there are always five or six cars, and each of the car has a license plate containing at least three sevens in a row. So this person has the car, and every car has a number 7. So these cars have sparked this puzzle. So in this puzzle there are four cars with one seven, two sevens, three sevens, and four sevens on the plate. Now each car is from different state, different make, different color, different ornament hanging from rear view mirror. Then there are some clues, and based on the clues you have to find which car has which color, state, make, and the ornament. So let's start solving. I have copied down the clues here. So we'll start by making one column for type of cars. So let's say this one car with single seven, double seven, triple seven, and four sevens. So these are the four cars. Then we'll have one column for the make, one column for the color, one for the state, and one for the ornament which is hanging. So this is the ideal way to start these type of problems in which there are many variables. And let's come to the option our clues, and the clues which are giving the clear indication, we'll write them first. So first is the Innova is either yellow or has a plate with three sevens but not both. We'll come to this again later. Grey and red cars from Haryana and Jharkhand, not necessarily. The car with the dragon ornament has even number of S. The one with the bull has an odd number. Karnataka is neither blue nor Mercedes. The plate with a single 7 is on Volkswagen. The 7 is Volkswagen. We'll write it here. So this is the clear clue. So first of all, we'll write this. An ornament in the shape of Argentina hangs in car from southern state. 4 times 7 is on Jharkhand car. So 4 times 7 is Jharkhand car. This is clear indication. Its ornament is not bicycle. So this is clear. An ornament is not bicycle. So we'll write and bicycle here. The dragon hangs in a car that is not red. Mercedes has double seven plate. So double seven is Mercedes. Right. The bull is in the yellow car. Okay. Tamil Nadu car has more than two sevens on that plate. Okay. Now we'll come back to here. The first clue. The Innova is either yellow or has a plate with three sevens but not both. Grey and red cars are from Haryana and Jharkhand, but not necessarily in that order. So this Jharkhand car would be either red or grey, right? And the other car of these two would be from Haryana. The car with the dragon ornament has an even number of sevens. So dragon ornament would be either here in the second car, or we'll write it as dragon 1, or dragon could be here in last one. So it will be dragon 2. And the one with the bull has an odd number. The bull would be either the first car or third car. Right? The Karnataka car is neither blue nor a Mercedes, so this car is not from Karnataka. And also Karnataka car is not blue. We'll write it separately. Karnataka car is not blue. Ornament in the shape of Argentina hangs in a car from southern state. So that Argentina hangs from southern state, so it could be either Karnataka car or others is Tamil Nadu, right? Because other two states we have are Haryana and Jharkhand. Dragons hangs in a car that is not red. Okay, so dragon from the one which is not red. Bull is in the yellow car. So either this first car is yellow or the last car is yellow. Okay. So either this is yellow or this third car is yellow. Now from first statement we know Innova is either yellow or has a plate with 3 sevens. So if this is Innova, so it will have 777, but it cannot be yellow, right? Or this first car cannot be uh, Innova. So last car also cannot be Innova because that is red or gray. So Innova car has to be either yellow or 777. So only one condition is being met for Innova, that is 777. So this car cannot be yellow. So car 1 is yellow, right? Now the bull is in the yellow car. So this is bull. So this bull is raw, right? So this odd bull is here. So this also we have installed. Tamil Nadu car has more than 2 sevens on it placed. Tamil Nadu could be either 777 or Tetra 7. So 4 times 7 is Jharkhand. So this has to be Tamil Nadu car. Now this second car could not be from Karnataka. So first car has to be from Karnataka. So this car has to be from Haryana, right? Okay. Now dragon hangs in a car that is not red. I'll come back to that. Now ornament in the shape of Argentina hangs in a car from southern state. So southern state were Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Karnataka we already know that bull is there. So Tamil Nadu has to be Argentina ornament. Now this is Argentina. This last one cannot be bicycle. So this one has to be bicycle. And last one is dragon. Okay. Dragon hangs in a car that is not red. If this is not red, that means this has to be grey and Haryana car has to be red. So we have the last color blue. So this will be blue. So one car for which no detail is being given is to be this make. So that is how easily we can solve this problem by making different columns and filling first the known issues, then going to the other clues. Now we'll come to the questions. Coming to first question, what color is the Hyundai? So this fourth make which was unknown has to be Hyundai. So what color is the Hyundai? Hyundai is green color. How many sevens are on the plate on the car with the bicycle ornament? So bicycle ornament has 2 sevens. Ornament in the Tamil Nadu car ornament is Argentina shape. Okay, thank you for watching. See you again in my next video.